If Google Calendar is showing an internal error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by a browser glitch, a corrupted cache, a conflicting extension, or a temporary account sign-in problem. The good news is that in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page. On Windows, press F5 or use Ctrl+R to reload Google Calendar. On a Mac, you can refresh the page from your browser as well. Sometimes the internal error is only temporary, and a simple reload is enough to restore the calendar normally. If the page still shows the error after refreshing, move on to the next step and test Google Calendar in an incognito or private window. Open a new incognito window in Chrome or a private window in your browser, then go to Google Calendar and sign in again. If Google Calendar works fine in incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is interfering with the site. This is a very useful test because it helps narrow down whether the problem is with Google Calendar itself or with something installed in your browser. Next, clear your browser cache. Over time, old cookies and stored site data can cause strange loading problems, including internal errors on Google services. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and delete cookies and cached files for Google or for all site data if needed. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Google Calendar again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because you are forcing the browser to load a fresh version of the site. If the error is still there, sign out of your Google account and then sign back in. Sometimes the browser session becomes corrupted and logging out and back in resets the connection. Make sure you fully sign out of Google in the browser, then sign back in using the correct account and check Calendar again. If that does not solve it, the next step is to disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other add-ons can sometimes break Google Calendar's normal loading process. Turn off your extensions one by one or disable them all for a quick test, then reload the page and see if the internal error disappears. If Google Calendar starts working after disabling an extension, you've likely found the cause. You can then re-enable your extensions one at a time to identify which one is causing the conflict. To recap, the best fixes are to refresh the page, try incognito mode, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, and disable extensions. These steps solve most Google Calendar internal error issues without needing more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple fixes, tutorials, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.